Okay, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo. This is somewhat a seasonal pattern, and it came in the cardboard sleeve. You can see RealTree on there. That's the normal Zippo black box. RealTree logo on the back. Of course, it's made in the USA in Bradford, PA. And it's an orange camo pattern. And the inside insert is also a little bit special. It's got the RealTree logo on there. Of course, the Zippo logo down below. Here is the RealTree orange pattern. It's on a matte painted finish. Good sound, steel insert. Lights up nice. This one looks like it was made in H of 16. Bradford, PA, made in the USA. Good stampings. And I think H is July, I think that's August of last year. Let's try a lit drop test with this little RealTree Zippo, so if I fall out of a tree stand, it'll stay lit. Missed. Try it again. Still lit. Okay, it passed that drop test. That's the Zippo RealTree Camo. And in my state, you can't wear this camo orange, just a solid orange. They call it Hunter Orange. So that is a nice little RealTree Camo Zippo. Made in the USA. Deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.